There are 21 people with sloth fever. What to know about the deadly virus? U.S. health officials are warning travelers about a potentially deadly insect-borne virus known as sloth fever that has infected 21 U.S. residents returning from Cuba and thousands more in South America and the Caribbean. More than 8,000 cases of Oropouche virus disease have been reported through AEGEL, one in Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Colombia, and Cuba. Cases have surfaced in the US and Europe involving travelers returning from Cuba and Brazil, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reported Wednesday. What is sloth fever? Sloth fever is an informal name for Oropouche virus infections first found in Trinidad and Tobago in 1955. The virus spreads by midges and mosquito bites and is endemic in Central and Eastern South America. During the current outbreak, cases have been detected in Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Colombia, and Cuba. In the U.S., cases have been limited to travelers returning to Florida or New York from Cuba, while Oropouche virus is informally known as sloth fever. The disease also can be transmitted to rodents, monkeys, and birds. What are the symptoms of sloth fever? Most infections are mild, but two otherwise healthy Brazil women, ages 24 and 21, died after contracting Oropouche virus, officials said. The symptoms, which appear 3 to 10 days after a person has been infected, include fever, chills, headaches, and muscle and joint pain or stiffness. Other symptoms may include vomiting, diarrhea, fatigue, rash, stomach pain, light sensitivity, and eye redness. Doctors treat symptoms with rest fluids and acetaminophen for fever and pain. Public health officials say they are especially concerned about cases involving mother-to-fetus transmission. There is no vaccination and there are no antiviral treatments for Oropouche. Can the virus be transmitted from a mother to a fetus? Lab testing identified 5 cases in which an infected mother appeared to pass the virus to a fetus. 1 fetus died and 4 others reported microcephaly, a birth defect in which a baby's head is smaller than normal. The CDC said the reports suggest the virus is linked to fetal death and possible congenital malformations that have raised concerns about the threat of Oropouche virus to human health. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.